How to remove OSX/Adware.Bundle from macOS. Here is a script file that you can use to remove OSX/Adware.Bundle from Mac, #bin/bash #. The script removes OSX/Adware.Bundle from Mac. #get the list of all files and directories associated with OSX/Adware.Bundle. Files equals $, find /library name OSX/Adware.Bundle. Type dprint, directories equals $, find /library name OSX/Adware.Bundle. Type fprint, #remove all files and directories associated with OSX/Adware.Bundle. For file in $files, do $file done. For directory in $directories, do rmdir $directory done. #remove the OSX/Adware.Bundle configuration file. rm/library/application/support/OSX/Adware.Bundle/config.json. #remove the OSX/Adware.Bundle preferences file. rm/user/your_username/library/preferences/OSX/Adware.Bundle. #check if OSX/Adware.Bundle is still installed. If f/library/application/support/OSX/Adware.Bundle, then echo OSX/Adware.Bundle is still installed. Exit #fi #OSX/Adware.Bundle is no longer installed. Echo OSX/Adware.Bundle has been successfully removed. To use this script, simply copy and paste it into a text file, save it as remove_OSX_Adware_Bundle.sh, and then run it from a terminal window. The script will remove all files and directories associated with OSX/Adware.Bundle, and then check if OSX/Adware.Bundle is still installed. If OSX/Adware.Bundle is still installed, the script will display an error message. If OSX/Adware.Bundle is no longer installed, the script will display a success message. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide. 2. According to a report by Malwarebytes, the first report of OSX/Adware.Bundle infection was on February 10, 2023. The report stated that the infection was spread through a malicious website that claimed to offer free software downloads. The website would install the OSX/Adware.Bundle adware program on the user's computer without their consent. The adware program would then bombard the user with unwanted ads and track their browsing habits. 3. OSX/Adware.Bundle is an adware program that promotes a variety of products and services, including fake antivirus programs. OSX/Adware.Bundle will display fake antivirus scan results and claim that the user's computer is infected with malware. The program will then offer to sell the user a fake antivirus program that will supposedly remove the malware. Fake tech support websites. OSX/Adware.Bundle will display fake tech support websites that claim that the user's computer is having problems. The website will then offer to sell the user fake tech support services that will supposedly fix the problems. Fake online casinos. OSX/Adware.Bundle will display fake online casinos that claim to offer real money gambling. The website will then ask the user to deposit money into the casino and start playing. Fake online surveys. OSX/Adware.Bundle will display fake online surveys that claim to offer rewards for completing them. The website will then ask the user to complete the survey and provide personal information. OSX/Adware.Bundle is a malicious program that is designed to deceive users and steal their money. Users should avoid clicking on any links or downloading any files from websites that are promoted by OSX/Adware.Bundle.